Having trouble connecting Bluetooth headphones, a mouse, keyboard, or another device? An outdated Bluetooth driver could be the problem. In this guide, I'll show you how to update your Bluetooth driver using Device Manager. First, open Start and search for Device Manager. Select it from the results. Once it opens, look for Bluetooth and expand the category. You may see one or more Bluetooth devices listed here. Look for the Bluetooth adapter or wireless hardware, then right-click it and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers. Windows will search for a compatible driver and install it if a newer version is available. Follow any instructions that appear. If Windows says the best driver is already installed, check Windows Update. Open Settings, select Windows Update, and choose Check for Updates. Also check Optional Updates for available Bluetooth drivers. If the problem continues, visit your computer manufacturer's official support website. Search for your exact model and download the latest Bluetooth driver that matches your Windows version. Then install it following the provided instructions. After installing the driver, return to Device Manager and open the Bluetooth adapter's properties. Select the Driver tab and check the provider, date, and version. Then use the General tab to confirm the device is working properly. Restart your PC if necessary, then try connecting your Bluetooth device again. If the problem started after a driver update, check whether rollback driver is available. Yeah, that can help restore a previous working driver. And that's how to update a Bluetooth driver in Device Manager. Start with the automatic search, check Windows Update, and use your manufacturer's official driver when needed. So test your Bluetooth connection after updating to make sure everything is working.